A massive 76% daily gainer has been performed, and there may still be some juice left in the tank. There are some breaks of key resistances that introduce the potentials for a continuation to the upside, but we must be careful when it comes to microcap assets. Let's pop the charts for a true edge. Welcome back to the channel on this Thunder Thursday. This is ARCa, and let's dive into ticker symbol VOCL. Let's kill them. What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Let's go ahead and dive into ticker symbol VOCL per request, my buddy Michael Payne. Let's go ahead and take a look at this, right? Daily time frame here, moving up a staggering 76.74% on the day. Actually, team, this is a huge 2 standard deviation multiplier upside from the bottom side of the Bollinger Bands, right? So this is a huge upside and a very volatile move, which showed expansion. Now, what I would like to say is that there is an uptick in volume as well. So, I mean, the largest iteration of volume that we had prior to this was back in December 2023, which was on the 21st, right? So that Thursday, the 21st, we had volume upwards of, 2.996 million, and today was 3.481. So, yeah, and before that, the last time we had that kind of volume was 4.11 million back here in November 21st, 2023. So yeah, this is in fact quite an uptick for volume on this ticker. Okay, so the important thing here is that we closed this daily candle upside of the mean, right? That mean is 20.75. And we are also getting a bunch of 5-minute closures above the EMA 200. As you can see here, the 5-minute time frame is starting to indicate a golden cross, right? So that is the SMA 50 crossing upside of the SMA 200, which could indicate a continuation to the upside. Okay, team. So let's go ahead and take a look at a couple other things here. So let me just get rid of the reversion variant, and we shall continue, right? So, okay. And let's move this down to the hourly time frame. Actually, you know what? We're way beyond the LRC resistance there. There we go. Okay, so this is a good thing here. We definitely closed this bi-hourly iteration inside of the next zone for the volatility, for the linear regression bands, right? So what this indicates is that we may have a very short-term pullback down to 2.072 before a continuation to the upside, of which we can see a potential 2.090. Okay, there is a critical resistance at 2.083 that we must get over, right? So just know that it's there and it exists, right? But it is conditional in order for us to continue to the area of 2.090. Okay, getting closer to that 1 cent mark. I will say that getting closer to that 1 cent mark makes this asset more and more dangerous because it's just a lot of short biased systematic traders or discretionary traders, right? Retail, they tend to take advantage of these assets and short them back below the 1 cent mark. Okay, team. So, or even the dollar market in these cases, right? But yeah, microcaps right here. This is going to be a little bit of a difficult move. Nice little shakeout down here, right at prior day low. Actually, this was on Tuesday. These were Tuesday's low. Huge shakeout here for a continuation to the upside. And it looks like, yeah, I honestly see a potential continuation to the upside. I know the 5-minute is looking a little overextended, but I will say that it does have an upside continuation. Nice 5-minute print here. With no returns, right? This thing is actually continuing on to the upside very nicely. Same bi-hourly candle here, literally no returns from that top side either. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at momentum, right? So, yeah, we're currently on a huge expansion phase right now. So we have upside stochastics, upside RSI, expansion in volatility, and we absolutely are observing here DMI plus leading the way with a pretty good 28% ADX. The average directional index indicates that we are in a strong market trend. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame is usually the minimum time frame that I require for an upside continuation for another day. And in fact, it is indicating that, right? So we have complete expansion right here. We're approaching critical, and we definitely have upside on both stochastics and the RSI, right? So now the DMI plus has crossed over over the DMI minus, and we are sitting at almost a 24% in ADX. Okay, so the 25% mark in the average directional index, the ADX, is usually where you want to sit, right? That's indicating that there is a good or considerable market trend sitting there. When you're at 30% or above, definitely a very strong market trend to whoever is leading the way. Okay, team. So I do think that this is set for an upside continuation, starting from potentially the. Let me see the 5 minute. I mean, yeah, there could be a very short term time frame pullback. I think very trivial, right? Like I said, 2073, 2070. As low as 2068, and then upside continuation from here, right? But yeah, it's looking pretty damn bullish, and it looks like it has enough juice to continue for at least another 2 days. But we'll see, right? Remember that these things tend to face critical resistances at some point or another. Now, if I were to put a resistance here for you in the immediate short, I mean, I'm talking about over the next maybe 2-3 days. They're trading days, that is, right? We're going to be on Friday, and then we have a market closure on Monday. So yeah, I'm thinking 101 to about 115. Okay, so we'll see about those topside targets in the coming days. So team, I will remind you that I definitely have the trading team filling up in the ARCa Bulls Discord. Okay, we are trading these assets. Well, actually, not microcaps. We are trading respectable assets that don't really get shorted to the ground like this, man. This is dangerous. These assets are crazy, man. So trading things like the Spy Tesla, right? The Mag 7. All right. So but that doesn't mean we can't find a setup here or there, but but know for a fact that it's a bit dangerous to trade these assets. There's a lot of people over there that are nefarious, and they try to take the advantage of these micro caps, right? Which is kind of sad. But yeah, remember, I'm gonna go ahead and add here the Discord link for you to consider joining the Discord, because we are trading just about 5 minutes before market open, and we're trading every day. So far, I think the last 3 days have introduced 8 total trades and 2 red so far. Okay, so the odds are definitely in our favor, and we're definitely maintaining portfolios green here. Okay, team. So yeah, please go ahead and find the link on the top right-hand side of your screen, right around here, right? Or in the description below. All right, team. So I think this is a pretty good place to leave off. We know the risks, we know the upside and downsides, and the targets for the coming sessions. Yeah. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Never, 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 ever, forever. I need you to do your own due diligence, and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well a very, very good rest of your night, and I will catch you at the bell mañana. Adios, team.